So there really hasn't been much happening all this week throughout much of the Cowboy State. We are starting to notice a slight change, though, just a little bit more in terms of cloud cover coming back into the region, as well as a little bit stronger in terms of wind gusts. Let's go ahead and check out the statewide satellite radar. Just seeing a little bit of snow showers trying to make it into the far northernmost area of the state near Yellowstone and Sheridan, with a little bit of clouds, but they are moving rather quickly, actually heading down towards the southern regions as we make our way into the evening hours. Here's what our futurecast is showing. We have two high pressure systems within the region, one over by Jackson and one in northern Colorado. That is helping to keep out a lot of those clouds, especially in the southern regions of the state, but they are trying to make their way back in, especially as we have a new frontal system slowly starting to make its way come in from the northeast, from the Canadians. That's where we're going to see much cooler air and even bringing in a little bit more moisture, resulting in our snow chances increasing as we make our way into the weekend. By tomorrow morning, not noticing a whole lot special, but we can see a lot of the winds are going to be increasing coming from the southwest and even the west for the far southeastern regions of the state, resulting in even warmer temperatures, but also, like I mentioned earlier, those wind chill values will drop off a little bit, resulting in warmer temperatures for the highs, but feels like temperatures being a little bit on the cooler side. How strong are those gusts going to be? Well, here's what I have for you. Overnight tonight, mostly central and southeastern regions can see the strongest gusts, getting about 35 to even 40 miles per hour in some places, 38 miles per hour in Douglas, 35 for the capital city. As we make our way into tomorrow morning, it's going to pick up a little bit more, especially in the southeast. Cheyenne could even see up to 50 mile per hour wind gusts, causing a little bit of partial closures along the interstates and major highways. Even as we go into the later parts of the evening time, again, kind of just sticking in the southeastern region, so I can suspect that Elk Mountain will have some partial closures. Travel impacts hasn't been updated recently, but as of what I got for you now, we do have some moderate closures along the Elk Mountain region, as well as some moderate closures just north of Casper, with the high impact areas out to the far western regions where there's still just lots of snow and those winds on top of it. Overnight tonight, going to see temperatures staying on the warmer side, even warmer than what we saw last night. 32 for Casper, 34 for Buffalo, and 20s out to the western regions, Thermopolis and Riverton, both at 20 degrees. Tomorrow's highs, Casper 45 degrees, 49 in Buffalo, more places hitting those 50s, 52 for Douglas as well as Gillette. Here's going to be your extended forecast. Still breezy, warming up to almost 50 degrees on Thursday. Snow chances on Friday up to 80% with a high of 33. Here is the rest of the viewing area. Again, snow chances and moisture amounts are going up. Still a little bit too far out, but I'll be sure to give you updates when those models are released.